What if I were to tell you that you could search for any text on this web page across these 7 different websites, plus any website of your choosing, instantly, in the blink of an eye? You may think that this is an exaggeration, that I am making unsubstantiated claims, that there's some form of hidden catch, but allow me to demonstrate how truly easy it is to search for really any text you want across multiple websites of your choosing instantly. Let's highlight Paris, and I'm going to click a hotkey on my keyboard. I'll touch on this in a moment. Let's see how quickly I can search for Paris across these 7 different websites. Okay, so that took me about a second, maybe a second and a half, if you want to be very realistic about the timing. And as you can see on Tumblr, we have searched for Paris, Google+, lots of images on Paris, Pinterest, same story, Instagram, lots of images on Paris, Twitter, Paris, YouTube, lots of videos on Paris, and Facebook, we have quite a number of entries here on Paris. Now, how exactly did I do this? Let me introduce you to my software, Spyderwebs research software. This here is the software which allowed me to search for Paris plus any other text that I want to search for, just to show you that it's incredibly versatile. Let's search for Louvre. Let's search for this text here. Any text that you highlight, I'm going to press ~S, and once again, you can probably instantly tell already that we've searched for Louvre across those same 7 websites. And I think the simplest way to show you how easy it is to use Spyderwebs research software is to go through the hotkey creation process with you. So I'm going to delete social media. This is the hotkey which we used to search Paris and Louvre across these 7 different websites. So let's remove it and let's go through the same process again. We have step 1. As you can see, we have many different categories which you can search. You can create hotkeys for all of these different categories. But for now, let's stick with social media. Step 2 is where you add the websites which you want to search. So I'm going to click add all, but let's say for example, if I don't really want to search for Instagram or YouTube, I can remove them like this. If I want to add specific ones, I can do this. Let's just click add all to simplify things. Step number 4 is you set your hotkey combination. Now this is the tilde key. This is the key that we will be using to search for any text that we highlight. So I'm going to select ~S, S for social media, and then we click save. That's it. Your new hotkey has been added to your library. Now highlight some text and press ~S. Let's do that right now. So once again, let's search for Celtic. ~S, highlight the text, ~S, that's all you need to do. And as you can see, once again, we've searched for Celtic across these 7 different websites. And I really have to emphasize that it's not only social media that you can search for videos. Let's create a hotkey for videos. Let's say that I want to search any text that I highlight on YouTube, Reddit, and Dailymotion. I'm going to select ~V as my hotkey, click to save. Now that took around 5 seconds to set that up. Now highlight some text and press ~V. And I'm going to highlight, let's do Celtic again. So I'm just going to close all other tabs. We've highlighted with our mouse Celtic. We press ~V, and once again, we've searched for Celtic on Dailymotion, on YouTube, and our videos. Now, if you go on over to spyderwebs.co, near the middle of the page, you will see this video 32 times faster. And what I've done in this video, I've timed myself searching 9 different websites the old way, the manual way, the slow way, and then timed myself using Spyderwebs research software. And it actually took me only 11 seconds to not only create a hotkey, but also to use the hotkey. And remember, you only have to create these hotkeys once. You'll notice that all of these hotkeys I've created are still in my library. They save automatically. So you set them up once and they are there forever to serve you. 32 times faster. I know which way I'm going to be searching from now on. This software is revolutionary. It's going to change the way that people search online. It's going to a large extent, make search engines redundant. And I urge you to jump on the bandwagon now, in the beginning phase of this project. I really encourage you to download it. It's completely free. It will always be free. Download it, give it a try. If you like it, share it with your friends also. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that Spyderwebs will be able to do for you what it's done for me. In other words, help me search 32 times faster online.